Namaste students, myself JVN Dr. Vijeta, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Faculty of Ayurveda Science, Department of Yoga and Naturopathy Science. Students, today we discuss about common misconceptions of yoga. As with any popular movement, there are plenty of stereotypes around what yoga means and generalizations about what yoga people are like. The truth is, the modern day international yoga community is so huge and its practices, teachings, and techniques so diverse that it is difficult to define what yoga actually is anymore. It may be easier to describe what yoga is not. It is not a competition, it is not a beauty contest, it is not without a system of ethics. मीन्स ये ना योगा ना अपने आप में कोई कंपटीशन है, ना कोई ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट है, ना कोई सिस्टम ऑफ एथिक्स है. Here are some common misconceptions about yoga that deserve rethink. Yoga is the devil's work. I am pretty sure that not a lot of fundamentalists who believe this about yoga are reading Elephant Journal, but just in case, rest assured, yoga generally tends to be much more angelic than satanic. Yoga is not a religion. Actually, it is my religion. If spiritually is private and religion is the public expression of one's more spiritually, I bet a whole lot of people consider yoga as their religion. Yoga is accessible to the practitioner of any or no religion. There are modern lineages of Jewish yoga, Christian yoga, and my personal favorite, Dharma yoga. Yoga is not Hinduism nor it is Buddhism, but many of the teachings and ideas in all three systems overlap in various ways. Yoga was designed to make us more physically fit and less stressed. Although it can provide both of these lovely benefits, yoga was actually designed as a system for attaining spiritual enlightenment. Yoga is always a spiritual practice. Would that it was for many of us, it is a daily spiritual practice, a lifestyle. However, there are plenty of things out there masquerading as yoga which should not actually be called yoga. You have to be a certain something to practice yoga. Not flexible, not strong, not balanced, not skinny, not young, not anything. It is practice and regarding physical asanas, practice and mental meditation practice. Practice makes perfect. If you choose to practice asana and meditation as part of your yoga, there are modifications and mantras available for all levels from brand new beginner on up. To do yoga, you have to do physical poses, breathing exercises, and meditate. Actually, the term yoga encompasses lots of things besides the most common practice we see in the media, including service, karma yoga, esoteric practice, tantra, and contemplation of yoga, yogic philosophy, jnana yoga, just to name a few. Although most yogis practice asanas, pranayam, and dhyan, none of the above are required. Thank you. Students, if you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. हमेशा खुश रहिए, हेल्दी रहिए, मस्त रहिए वीडियो. थैंक यू.